everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a A3 design or canvas on Canva. So what you have to do, obviously, you have to open your Canva and then make sure you already logged into your account. And then here you can click create a design and simply you just search A3 for the size. So there are several options like poster double, A3 landscape, A3 portrait, double-sided, etc., etc. And it's commonly this A3 format used for printing the calendar. So I will create a poster with portrait. So now I have the A3 Canva, and then also I can search for instance, calendar 2025. See, now I can simply put this calendar into Canva, where 2025 like this. That's it, very simple. This now I have the design of A3 of calendar of 2025, and then I could print it, or I can make it as a JPEG, and then I can use whatever I want. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.